Best WordPress themes for blogs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you the best themes that you can choose on WordPress to create your own professional blog. So let's get started. What you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress, and when we are creating a website on WordPress, as we know, WordPress is one of the most famous website builder that allows us to build our professional websites with a lot of different templates. So when we're creating our own website, we get very confused at which template to go for and which template is actually trending and is famous. So today I will help you find the best theme for your website. Let's get started. The number one theme is Astro. What you have to do is simply go to WordPress and you can check out Astro. It is one of the most popular theme of all time. It is fastest, lightweight, and highly customizable WordPress theme. You can download it on your WordPress version, any version. It's available on all the version and it's very good for blogs. So if you're looking for a theme to create your own personal blog and you wanted to have a pre-built website, if you want to customize it without coding and you want to add pages, you want super fast performance, then this is the theme for you. In this theme, we get our own layout settings, header options, colors in typography, blogs, and archives. We can write our own blogs within our Astro, and it has all of different integrations for us as well, such as WooCommerce and Toolist, Yoast. So we can work on the SEO and we can use our blog for our WooCommerce as well. So these are the different features that we get with Astro. Astro has a good, customizable tools. We can add pictures, we can embed videos, we can add codes, links, and we can also customize the header and footer the way we want to. It's a simple drag and drop. You can customize your own text, you can customize your logo, add buttons. In the buttons you can add links, and you also get your own live preview. So when you are creating a website, you get all the details that what you are doing. There is also a translation option available for you. Filters are available and built-in SEO that helps you rank your blog highest in the search results. So definitely go ahead and check out Astro right now if you're looking for a template to create a WordPress website. Next, we have Hemingway. Hemingway is another WordPress theme for our blog. It's available on the version 2.2 and active installation is more than 20,000 right now. Very good rating, and it's a very clean and beautiful theme for bloggers. You can add different tags. It's a very simple looking theme, and you can simply go ahead and preview. So this is the preview for this theme right here, and you can see very clean and very easy. We get headings, we can add text, we can add photos, we can embed our forms, we can add different elements, and we can also add different options, tables, charts, and we can create lists, add our HTML links, and also create different categories. Of course, the header and the footer are customizable. We can customize our photos, videos, wherever you want to add to your blog. And if you're looking for a very clean and simple looking blog template, then I think Hemingway will be the go for you. And it has all the assets for you, very responsive design with parallax scrolling effect. So you can definitely go ahead and check out Hemingway. Next on the list, we have Vogue. So Vogue, I selected Vogue in this list is because if you're looking for a fashion blog, then this is going to be the template for you. It is available on version 1.4.72 and has more than 9,000 active installation. Let's get a preview for Vogue. So Vogue is a very, very famous and one of the very loved templates on WordPress because it has all the right features for you. It has built-in SEO and WooCommerce is available, very responsive design, multiple footer layouts, multiple blog layouts, and more. So this is the view of Vogue. You can see right here. If you want to create a very simple yet very modish kind of blog, then this is going to be the template for you. You can add images, videos. Of course, there are different layouts available, and you get extra layout customization, full color settings, and there is no coding. Of course, in the design, you can create your own blog, portfolio, and business website with Vogue as well. You can integrate your store. So this is all in one pretty good template for you to choose from. You can simply go ahead and check out Vogue. Next on the list, we have Write. So, Write is another template for blogs. It's a pretty elegant, free personal WordPress blog theme, and it is really good for food, travel, fashion, and corporate. So, if you're looking for a fashion blog, then Write it can be the template for you. It's available on the version 2.05. Let's get the preview for Write. So, on Write, we get fully responsive design, of course, and it is mobile friendly theme, and it has all the customizable tools, widgets, full with boxed sliders. There is translation available and all of the features. So this is the preview of Write. Write is very simple looking template. Of course, you will add your images, videos, and everything. We can add elements, tags, HTML links, and create categories. Header and footer are fully customizable, and you will be able to create a good blog with Write. The next theme is Charm. So, Charm is another WordPress blog template, and it is really good for a very advanced and good looking blog. You can get the preview of Charm as well. With Charm, you can create your own fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel blog. It has all the right features: customizable header and footer, adding your social media, adding links, buttons, everything. You can integrate your other platforms to your charm as well. So if you're looking for a very decent template and that is very funky, and you want a lot of pictures and videos, and it's a fashion blog and travel lifestyle, charm will be very good for you. You can simply go ahead and also integrate your WooCommerce to your charm template, and it has a built-in blog where you can write your own blog, and it works really good with all WordPress versions. So definitely go ahead and check out Charm. Next, we have Go. Go is another template available on WordPress. It is available on version 1.6, and it's a very good blog website for your business and your store. And it's a really good template for your small business and store. Let's get a preview for Go. So Go is actually focused on more creating and empowering your own stores. It is really good for a bloggers that are looking to create a built-in store. So you can simply go with Go. Go has all the tools such as editing your header, footer, creating your online store, small business, managing it. You get SEO, built-in SEO that helps you rank higher. You can create your own forms. You can create submit forms, registration forms, payment methods. So it's a very good all-in-one template that allows you to create a blog and a store as well. So if you're looking for an advanced template with rich tools, then you should definitely go ahead and check out Go. And similarly, there are other themes as well. You can go to your WordPress themes right here, and you can go to popular. In popular, you will find all of them. Astro. Then we have others as well. For example, Inspiro, we have Hestia, we have Storefront. So these are different templates that you can avail on WordPress and create your own professional website blog using WordPress. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the best WordPress themes for blogs. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.